Welcome to Sabbu's kitchen. Have you seen a kid who does not like chocolate flavor? Today preparing Choco Rolls using simple ingredients like cocoa powder, biscuits and butter. Let us prepare it.
The ingredients are Marie biscuit 25, cocoa powder 4 tablespoons, powdered sugar 8 tablespoons, cream 4 tablespoons. Crush the biscuits and put it in the mixie jar. Add 4 tablespoons of sugar and cocoa powder. Powder it neatly. Take a bowl, put the powdered mixture in it. Add cream and knead it into chapati dough. You can add milk if the dough is hard and make it softer. In another bowl, add butter and remaining sugar. Mix it until the mixture becomes creamy, as shown here. Take a plastic sheet and grease it with some oil. Using a rolling pin, roll it flat. It should be approximately 3 mm. Spread the buttercream evenly on it. Fold a tiny part of the edge on one side tightly as shown in the video. Using the fold, roll the dough. Make sure not to roll the sheet with it. Cover the roll using the same sheet and keep it in the freezer for 2 hours. After 2 hours, remove it from the freezer and cut it into pieces. It should not be kept outside, it should be stored in the freezer. Tasty and beautiful Choco Rolls are ready.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.